Actually, I was facing hair loss problem from over the period of last 3 years. So I was consulting all the all doctors and all the fields. But recently, in last years, I have found on social media that there is one clinic, New Roots Hair Clinic. So I have visited there, and after the visiting, they have consulted that you need to do a transplant process. I did a transplant process in last year. So mostly this is the result of my transplant process. So basically I have some experience of I have great experience of a New Roots Hair Clinic, because they have a trained doctors, they have a trained staff, they have trained surgeons. So I feel that the process is very smooth, because there is a myth that transplant process has a side effects, but I am assuring you that there are no any side effects of this process. The process is slightly it's a time taking process, but still it's a very good process, and they make you feel that you are comfortable in that process. So I am suggesting you that if you are facing anything like related to the hair loss and all the things, then please consult this New Roots Hair Clinic. I am again suggesting you to visit the New Roots Hair Clinic for better solution for your hair loss. Thank you.